Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're looking at a 2016 Hyundai Veloster. Under the hood we have a 1.6 liter i4 engine and a 6-speed automatic transmission. This guy's in blue. It does have the decals on the hood there. Looks great. You have the Hyundai badging right there with your projector style headlights there and your fog lights hanging out down there. And coming around the side here we do have our 18-inch rims. They look great with the blue accenting on them. You do have your Solus brand tires as well. You get your heated exterior mirrors right there with the turning signal on them. And coming all the way around to the back of the vehicle, you got that Veloster badging, as well as you have your parking sensors and your backup camera. Open this guy up right here. Looks great back here, lots of room. You got this guy to protect whatever you have back here. Lots of room back here for groceries or whatever you might want to haul. You can lift this guy up and you do have some storage just underneath there as well. We got our keys here, 2 presses to lock. We got our unlock there. We do have that one to open up the back and our panic button there. We also have the proximity button, so if you do press that button, it will unlock for you or lock for you. Now on the door here, you do have electric mirrors, windows, and locks all in here. And you do have some chrome accenting up here, a handle, and some storage down here. Looks great in here as well. Very spacious, and the seats are very nice and comfortable. The leather trim seats. You do have the controls over the seats here and here, and your lumbar support down there. And then over here, we do have the controls over our in-cabin light. We also have our parking sensors right over here. Then we have our eco mode. We have our heated steering wheel, traction control, and the AC power. And then up here, you got the controls over the lights. So you have your on, your off, daytime running lights, and low beams, as well as your auto. You also got your high beams and your turning signals there. Okay, push to start right here. Foot on the brake, press the button, and it starts right up. Now in the center here we do have our speedometer and odometer, as well as fuel gauge and engine temperature. Now we can switch that guy around in the middle from our our odometer and the gear that we're on. We can switch that around to our average liters there. We also have our liters per 100 kilometers, average kilometers, our ET. We also have our trip A and B, and then our range. Now that is controlled from your steering wheel. You also have your mode with the selector and the volume. Bluetooth controls here, horn in the center, and cruise control options right there. And that one does switch that guy in the middle. Then up here you do have the control over your windshield wipers and your paddle shifters here and here. And then in the center you do have your touchscreen display. So you do have your AM, FM, and all the different guys in there. You also have your media, your Sirius XM button right here. You have your CD player up here. You have your voice and map and all those guys there, your route, as well as your destination, so you do have the GPS, volume up and down, phone options, your seek, your info, your tuner, and when you are in reverse, you have that ever-useful backup camera keeping you nice and safe right there. And then down here, you do have your heated seats with your passenger airbag. You have your, where it's going to blow out of. You also have your heat up and down with your power there, your AC, your hazard lights, AC, all those different heated and defrosts there, your passenger heated seat, aux cord and USB plug-in right down there, your push to start, got your gear shift here. You also have your cup holders here with your parking brake. You have your armrest, doubles as a storage container. You got 2 layers there. Then you do have your glove box right over here with your owner's manual inside of it. And then up here you get the control over your sunroof and a sunglass holder. And then there's your sunroof, looking great. It is a 3-door, so you do have your door right over here. Open this guy up. Lots of room back here as well. Looks great. You got your cup holders right over there. And a little bit of storage there as well. And then you can fold these seats forward just right here. Just like that. Then you do have extra room in the back if you needed it. You didn't need the people up here. And there's our 1.6 liter i4 engine. Well, that does it for my walk around video, the 2016 Hyundai Veloster. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.